We are following breaking news in Tacoma at this hour. One person has died. Another has been sent to the hospital following a fire at an indoor shooting range. This is a live picture from the scene. We know firefighters were there moments ago. They just left the scene after working for hours to put out this fire. This all happened around 6:15 this evening. Firefighters were called to the Bullseye Indoor Range on Puyallup Avenue. Tacoma fire officials don't know how many people were inside the building when that fire started. Firefighters immediately went inside.
So we arrived on scene. We had people outside telling us there might be somebody trapped. So our crews immediately rushed in to try to find those possible victims. There was thick, heavy black smoke, so visibility was low, and there was also live ammunition possibly going off that we heard.
As you can see, a large response earlier this evening from Tacoma Fire. Firefighters say the fire was somewhere on the second floor of the building. That's where the shooting range is. We're told this is Tacoma's first fatal fire of the year.